In this video, I'll show you how to remove or completely disable the login PIN on Windows 11 step by step. Usually this process is pretty simple, but depending on your Windows security settings, the remove button can sometimes be grayed out or completely unavailable. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Once the Settings window opens, go into the Accounts section on the left side and then open Sign In Options. Inside this menu, you'll see the PIN section. Expand it, and normally you should immediately see a Remove button that lets you disable the Windows login PIN. If the button works, simply confirm the change, enter your account password, and the PIN will be removed. But for a lot of people, the Remove option is grayed out and cannot be clicked. If that happens, there are a couple extra things you need to change first. The first fix is disabling the extra Windows Hello security requirement. Inside the Sign In Options menu, look for the setting that requires Windows Hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts and turn that option off. After disabling it, go back into the PIN section and check if the Remove button is now available. If it still stays grayed out, the second fix involves your Microsoft account security settings online. Go back into Accounts and open the Your Info section. From there, press Accounts, which opens your Microsoft account page directly in your web browser. You may need to sign into your Microsoft account first before continuing. Once you're logged in, open the Security section and look for the option called Manage How I Sign In. Open it and scroll down until you reach the Additional Security settings. Here you should find the Passwordless Account option. If Passwordless Sign-in is enabled, disable it completely because this setting often blocks Windows from letting you remove the PIN locally. After turning it off, restart your computer fully so all the account changes refresh properly. Once Windows starts back up, return to Settings, go back into Accounts and Sign In Options again, expand the PIN section one more time, and now the Remove button should finally become available. After removing the PIN, Windows will stop asking for it during login and will instead use your normal Microsoft account or local account password when signing in. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.